Okay, good morning again. Today we are going to start the next topic of biotechnology, section 11. Very important questions that may be come into the final exam of CBSE board, maybe 3 or 5 marks. The name of topic is called gel electrophoresis. Very simple. The first, in 1937, a technique which was used by name the scientist is called A.T. Cilius. A.T. Cilius. Very important question from MCQ's point of view. Name the scientist who gave the technique gel electrophoresis. The credit for discovering is goes to A.T. Cilius in 1937. So this is the 1 marks question that may be set up. Now, definition. What is gel electrophoresis? Very simple. A technique which work under the influence of electric field. Electro indicate for the electric field. Electric field. By using the gel. Gel, it is made up of a chemical substance whose name is called agar. This agar is obtained from a red LED, which is also called seaweed. 11 questions, 11th standard में आप ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. It is obtained from the red LED. Actually 2 है. It is also called seaweeds. LED को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Seaweeds. Agar, it can be made substance which is called agarose. Name indicate it is a carbohydrate. It is a polysaccharide. तो agar OSC किसको इंडिकेट करता है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट को. तो इस केमिकल सब्सटेंस अगार से क्या बनाया जाता है? एग्रोज. और इसी से क्या है? सोलिडिफाइड नेचर दी जाती है, एक जेल बनाया जाता है. और ये जेल क्या है? हेल्प करता है अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किसी चीज को सेपरेट आउट करने में. किसको सेपरेट करने में? डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट्स. तो आप डेफिनेशन बनाते हैं. वेरी सिंपल. This technique is based upon separation of charged particle under the influence of electric field by using the chemical substance which is called agarose. It is called a gel. So this technique is based upon separation of different DNA fragments under the influence of electric field by making the use of agar या agarose. So this is the definition of this. So this is the main objective of this technique. By this technique, we can be separate out the charged particle. Or you know very well, on the DNA, negative charge is present. So how we can be make the separate? So this is called solidified nature of the gel. Here, the well are created 1, 2, 3, 4. In well, what is poured down? What is loaded? DNA sample is loaded. For here and here. What are set up? Electrodes are set up. Electrode are set up. जैसे स्विच ऑन किया जाता है, what will be happen? These DNA fragment they start to move. The DNA having the negative charge. यहाँ पर एनोड है. Anode having the positive charge. Under the influence of electric field, this negative charge particle it is moved toward the positive electrode. And the positive electrode is called an anode, or anode having the positive charge. These DNA fragments they move along this gel. Or this gel it is behave like as a matrix. Very important questions. It is behave like as a matrix. It is behave like as a medium. One more 1 marks question. It is behave like as a sieving effect. SIEVNG, sieving effects. Because when it can be made the solid, these filaments are cross-linked, interlinked, they will create the pores Through this force, these DNA fragments are moved toward their respective lengths, and you know very well DNA having the negative charge, and it is moved toward the positive electrode, and the positive electrode is called a anode. So this is a simple diagram which is given here. Largest fragments they move slowly, and the smallest fragment they move fast. This is again the difference. Under the influence of electric field, those DNA fragments which is small in size, the rate of mobility is more. Those fragment of DNA which is large in size, rate of mobility is very low. This is again the difference between DNA bands. Or within some time, what will be happen? We can see these DNA bands on the gel. We know very well pure DNA it can't be seen on the gel under the visible light. To see the pure DNA, here we can be use a stain. Next point you can be right. Stain which is used in gel electrophoresis technique. The name of stain is called ETBR, ethidium bromide. Very important question, 1 marks question. Name the stain which is used in this method, this technique. The name of stain is called in shortcut ETBR, ethidium. Ethidium. BR stand for the bromide. This stain is used to color the DNA on the gel, because pure DNA it can't seen with under the influence of visible light. If we want to see the DNA band where they are present on the gel, it is necessary to stain this DNA with the particular stain. The specific stain which is used here is called ethidium bromide. In shortcut you can be write ETBR. Next, when UV rays, ultraviolet rays are passed on this gel, what will we see? We see bright orange color band of DNA. Again very important questions. When we can be pass UV rays, ultraviolet radiation, we can see bright which color? Orange color band on this gel. It means DNA band are present here. This is the visibility, how we can see where these DNA bands are present. Next, what will we do? The last step we can do, that is called elution. Suppose here these DNA band are present, then how we can be separate? We can be make the cut the gel at that position where we can see the bright orange band. We can make the cut the gel, we can extract and separate this DNA band. This step is called elution. One more definition. What is elution? It is the final steps at where cutting, extraction and separation of DNA band is performed from the gel. This steps is called elution. So these are the simple steps which are used. Make the diagram very simple, well articulated, largest DNA band, smallest. Those DNA bands which are small, they are away from, they are moved toward the electrode which can carry the positive charge is called anode, because DNA having the negative charge, it starts toward the positive charge, and the positive charge electrode is called anode. So you have to make the setup this one, and you can be right. Discovery in 1937, A.T. Siles definition: under the influence of electric field, separation of DNA fragments with the help of gel. It is made up of agarose which is obtained from the red algae. This is called seaweeds, and it is behave like a matrix medium, the sealing effects through which the pores something it can be migrate toward the opposite pole. Here you can say opposite electrodes. So this is about the techniques. Okay, thank you.